Alright, today I'm going to be assembling the TV stand. So this is good. They got corner protectors all over the place, so they care about shipping, so that's good. Hardware. Right. We are at the first step to putting this thing together, so we're going to be using this and these two. That's kind of cool. So there you got everything organized. And it is all labeled too, so this bag says H. You're not supposed to use an impact when you're doing this, but I do anyway. And these two cable glands go in the back of here. And for this, we're going to use screws C, just so I can see the screw peeking through the other side. And that way I can line up the bottom of the screw with the hole there, just by kind of feeling it in. Yep. So now I got them all in, I'm going to go ahead and finish tightening down. And I want to get those below the surface because this looks like something's going to have to go on top of here. The fact that those screws can do that means that this is pretty good wood. Because sometimes they would go in and they would just start spinning because it's breaking up the wood. So the fact that they can go through and it catches and it holds well enough that it can actually drive that screw all the way in means that that wood is dense and it's well packed. I'm just going to get these pegs started, and that is to line everything up and provide a little bit of structure. And we're going to use these long pins. These are E. It did come with an Allen. I'm probably just going to use the Allen for these, although I might go and grab a hex socket, but we'll see how this goes. And so these are 5/32 hex heads. So I don't want to tighten these down all the way yet because the bottom here I need to be able to attach these, and so I'm using bolts B to attach that. And again, you don't have to use power tools to do this. I'm just lazy. So now we can put on the leveling feet. So if you need a little bit extra height, you can just kind of pull these out a little bit. Or if you find that your floor is uneven, you can use those to make sure that everything is correct. So the last thing is to put the top on. So it has these screw holes right here, and those just line up with the holes on the top. And that is it. That is a pretty nice TV stand. One of the things I wasn't sure about, but it's kind of important, And this guy can fit underneath it, even with those levelers all the way up. I like that they got these extra parts, so if I lose one, we got some more left over. So there we go. That is a pretty great setup.